Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a secure SSH key so VS Code can authenticate to GitHub. Open Terminal and run SSH keygen with ed 25519. This gives better security and smaller keys. Once done, start the SSH agent and add your new private key to it so your system caches credentials. Make sure to copy the public key file contents because you will paste that into GitHub. This step avoids repeated password prompts and sets up a persistent, secure connection between your Mac and GitHub. Next, add the public SSH key into your GitHub account under SSH and GPG keys. This authorizes your Mac. Then configure Git locally, set user, name and user, email so commits are correctly attributed. Once done, test the connection with SSH tgit at GitHub. Com to confirm GitHub recognizes your key. After a successful test, clone a repository using the SSH clone URL. This ensures VS Code will use SSH for pull, push, and fetch operations without prompting for credentials repeatedly. Finally, open the cloned repository in VS Code and let it detect the Git repo. The source control panel shows changes and lets you commit and push. Install the GitHub pull requests extension to create and review PRs directly. Make sure VS Code uses the system SSH by checking settings, remote, SSH or Git, SSH command if needed. If something goes wrong, verify the SSH agent is running. Your private key permissions are 600 and the remote URL uses Git at GitHub. These fixes resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.